Does it go rah? Is that your house?
Mama house.
Yeah.
House. That's Sasa's house.
Really?
That's Sasa's house. That's Sasa's house.
Really?
Sasa's house. Sasa's house.
No, it's not Shar-Shar's house. Did we go to sister's school?
Yeah.
Did you see her?
That's so cool. Oh, that car. That car.
Where's mommy?
That person mommy.
Is she working?
I'm not ready.
Is grandma working?
Yeah.
Where's grandpa?
Where?
No, he's at home.
A cooker?
Yep, uncle's working.
Oh, home.
We're sisters.
I know.
They're at school.
Daddy.
We're at Natalie's school.
I work.
No, she's at school.
That's mommy's car.
Yeah, we're in my car.
That's mommy's car, though.
Mommy's car's at mommy's work. Say bye-bye.
I like.
Love you.
I work.